In this video, I am going to show you a new method to propagate ZZ plants with the leaves. In this process of propagation, your leaf cuttings won't rot and they're going to shoot the roots faster. We will use a thermocol sheet to make floating boat-like thing. First of all, slice a thin piece of thermocol like this. Use a sharp knife to make a clean cut. If it's a little rough cut, don't bother. And after that, cut them into little square shapes like this, one by one. Later, we are going to attach our leaf cuttings with these thermocol sheet pieces. Next, we will make two cuts to insert two leaves in one piece of thermocol. It's an easy process, but just try not to break them. And we are ready now. We need to get leaf cuttings now. To collect our leaf cuttings, disinfect your cutting tool first with rubbing alcohol and choose healthy and green leaves. Don't get the new ones. Take ones that are having dark green color and that looks old enough. I'm taking 8 leaf cuttings of ZZ plant here. It's better to propagate more than one cutting because you don't know which one is going to root and which one is going to rot. Some of the cuttings often die. So here are our leaf cuttings. Now take a piece of thermocol and insert one leaf from side carefully and other one from opposite side as we made the cut. It's not in one line so that it doesn't break. Insert all the leaf cuttings gently, keeping some part of the leaves down the thermocol, and this part is going into the water and the upper part of the leaf is going to float. This will look like this. It's a boat-like structure ready to float into water. So it's ready to be propagated. Now we need a vase to put these cuttings into water. I'm using this glass vase or bowl to propagate these cuttings. Fill your vase with filter water only if your tap water is having excessive minerals like fluoride and chlorine. If not, then tap water is fine. Just simply put the cuttings into the water one by one and let them float onto the water. Bottom part of every leaf is in water and in around 25 days it's going to shoot roots and form those little potatoes or bulbs. We are not done here yet. There is one more thing remaining here. We will cut some small pieces of aloe vera and put them into the vase. Aloe vera can serve as a natural rooting hormone for plants. It's a wonderful yet simple rooting hormone that contains enzymes that can stimulate root growth in plants. The process of stimulating root growth is crucial, especially when propagating plants from cuttings. When you take a cutting from a plant, such as a leaf or stem, and want it to develop into new plant, it needs to absorb nutrients from water or soil. Rooting hormones aid in this process by encouraging the formation of roots. Our work is done here. These cuttings are going to form roots within 25 days. Just keep changing the water every week and place them in a bright indirect light. And don't let them catch direct winds, hot or cold air. I will make a separate update video to show you the end result. Hope you like this propagation method. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.